Fierce fighting has erupted once again in northern Myanmar. In Sagaing region's Wuntho township, a 3-day battle between junta forces and local resistance groups has left dozens of soldiers dead. According to the Wuntho Township People's Defense Force, around 200 junta troops from infantry battalions 111 and 120 launched an operation east of Wuntho on September 1st. Their column was intercepted near Thaukiant Ta village, where combined resistance forces staged an ambush. The battle lasted for 3 days. Resistance groups report that around 30 junta soldiers were killed and 5 others surrendered. Several weapons and ammunition were also seized during the clashes. When the military column advanced, our local forces from Wuntho and Kowloon joined together to fight back. The battle continued for 3 days. About 30 soldiers were killed, 5 surrendered, and some weapons were captured. On our side, 4 members were injured, but their lives are not in danger. The attack was carried out jointly by Kantbalu District Battalions 1 and 4, along with local resistance forces from Wuntho and Kowloon townships. The People's Defense Forces say 4 of their fighters were injured, but none critically.